So it's super simple and super easy. Just right click and get inspect. Just do the same steps that I'm doing in the video and go to cancel. And here's some restriction and warning. It will be maybe scam if you have some money in your wallet, so be aware from that. So yeah, that's my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. If you're using my code and don't have trust, you can install new Windows on your computer, or you can use on empty wallet. Okay, so yeah, I don't need to worry about that. So okay, so clear everything from here and just paste the script. Right click and select all, right click again, copy and minimize it. Okay, then paste your script over here, press the enter button, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction hash id. We just need hash id. It's unconfirmed transaction. It's some $2,206. Okay, and just copy that, copy to clipboard. Okay, and then paste over here, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Before clicking OK, I just wanted to let you show this is the only real channel. It has 10k subs on YouTube, and this is the only real number on WhatsApp and real Telegram ID. Okay, yeah, that's the original, but another people took my videos to scam innocent people, so be aware from that. Okay, click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here and just refresh the wallet and see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. So let me show you the time, date and time. It's 2:40 p.m. Monday 8th December 2025. Okay, so yeah, this is the only real channel, and this is the wallet, this is the transaction, and this is the time. So yeah, let me refresh that once again. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to completely confirm. Let's see. Wait, nah, it's not confirmed right now, but it will confirm very soon. It's take maximum 1 hour to complete. So yeah, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.